Hello students, today we learn about major landforms of the earth. In last session, we discussed about mountains. In this session, we discuss about type of mountains. First is fold mountains. Fold mountains are formed due to the compression of horizontal layers of rocks. As you know, the earth made up of different tectonic plates, several tectonic plates. Look at this diagram. Now let's understand the fold mountain through this diagram. So the compression means the pressure of both sides. The pressure from both sides of plate, the horizontal layers of rocks formed fold mountains because due to this the layers come overlapping to each other, so the mountains formed. A simple fold mountain has downfolds or valley called syncline and upfolds or ridge called anticline. So when two tectonic plates of the earth crust collide, they fold over each other and form mountain known as fold mountain. Himalaya, Alps are known as the young fold mountains because with the rugged relief and high peaks, they are young fold mountains of the world. And whereas the Aravalli mountain range in India is one of the oldest range of fold mountain in the world, but it is wearing out due to erosion. Look at this diagram. This is example of fold mountains. Now next come to the block mountains. Block mountains, these mountains are formed due to tension opposite of compression. Look at this diagram. Tension due to opposite direction. So what happened? That create flood, faults in the crust. This line shows showing faults in the crust. The land between the cracks. The land between the cracks is uplifted by internal process generating with within the earth to form block, mountain or host. The land between the cracks is up, that part is uplifted by the internal forces, whereas the another part, the when the area between cracks sink down, the crack the area another area between the area the cracks sink down, it forms the shrunken valley and called rift valley or graben. Example of rift valley in India including Narmada and Tapi valleys with the Vindhyas and Satpura range standing up block mountains respective. Here is the pic of block mountain. The next one is volcanic mountains. The movement of tectonic plates create volcanoes along the edges of the plate. When volcanoes erupt, they form mountains known as volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountain, this is the example of volcanic mountain. Volcanic mountains are formed by deposition of molten material called lava beneath the crust. This happens due to internal earth movement which pushes the molten material to the surface through opening vent. And this lava, when this lava comes out the surface of the earth, this gradually pile up and cools layer after layers over the years to form conical mountains. The only active mountain in India is situated on the Varian Island in the Bay of Bengal. Now, importance of mountain. The mountains are the storehouse of water and the glacier in the mountains are the source of many rivers. Water reservoirs are built in the mountains and the water is used to irrigate fields and to generate waters. Pass. River valley and terraces are ideal to cultivate crops and variety of flora and fauna are also found in mountains. Forests on mountain provide food, shelter, fuel, and mountains are also an ideal site for tourism. I hope you like my video. Thank you.